guy was going to do some serious damage and shake up the podium. He took the bonus line and really did very well. Jake Pike. He wants to thank Midwest Welding Institute, or Missouri Welding Institute. They paid his entry fees, and some of the other guys. He just broke his buggy about 5-6 days ago, so they were going to put back together like, what, 24 hours ago, so, you know, I'm sure it's really well dialed in right now. Coming in second place, and I think he had the fastest time on the second course, Mr. D. Smith. And first place and second place were a tie, and we had to add the times together to see the tie break. Shoot off the shoot throw.
Hey, Dave.
Is this a trap?
First and foremost, I want to thank Clearwater Bug, all my sponsors, Compan, Reject Fab, Justin Holt, David Davis, Adam Ranger and Apollo Group, Eagle Sales, Rich Powder Coating, Scott Trial Marco, I missed anybody? I don't know, woman, let's do it. Let's do that. Oh, thank you. I want to thank her, my fiance. You down here real quick? But, good racing today. Like the course, like the jumps. Well, thank everybody for coming out. Bubba Mason, Peter Basler, thank y'all for everything you do for you fun. And just can't thank everybody enough. If I missed somebody, I'm sorry. I'll do a post when I get on the video. Get everybody in there. Thanks everybody for coming in.
Coming in first, again, like I said, first place and second place for a tie. We had to add points, and then we had to add the total score. Total score.
You may be the fastest fucking trophies on you.
Yeah. Killed it all weekend. Did great all weekend.
Explain that they were tired before you.
Yeah. Did great all weekend. Mr. Offroad. Get up there.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Congrats to all the spectators coming out and during the dusty, dry conditions. Wish we got some rain to kind of settle the dust down a little bit, but they pushed hard, made some good runs, and it was all tight like everyone always knows. This 10-point deal up here, I really thought it was going to mess the podium up big time, but I guess we were able to push hard and be out front and move on next event. Thanks for everyone else me out. Thanks a lot. See you next time.
Hang on, take that. Stay right there. Get one more picture. Awesome. Thanks everybody coming out, and don't forget to hashtag Southern Rock Racing Series.
Let me get off this thing.
Boy, I lucked out big time.